All right, welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, guys are doing good. Lighting really that hot, so people, I do apologize for that. I'm gonna try and make it better, but a second. Anyways, people, big up, massive respect. Really appreciate the time you guys spend coming, liking, sharing, watching the video. Definitely. So hopefully, guys are doing good, and hopefully everyone is doing fine. We're here to speak about Renaldo Cephas. I know you guys maybe keep on hearing me talking about Renaldo Cephas over and over and time again. I've been talking about Cephas for a long while now. So Cephas has officially made another move to the Turkish first division, which is huge, people. It's really huge. Going up against Besiktas and these teams, it's huge, people. But not only that, I want to speak about his valuation. I'm talking about his valuation. Just last year, Cephas was valued at 300,000 euros. My apologies on that. And now Cephas was sold for a whopping fee. Well, how should I say? A reported fee of 1 million euros. I think he's one of the most expensive born Jamaicans where transfer fee is a concern. Very much so. And I'm telling people, it is huge. It is really huge. So Cephas left Shkupi. I know you guys would have known Shkupi in the Macedonian League, and he joined Ankara Gucci. You see that? Sorry, Ankara Gucci. Sorry about that. Ankara Gucci. I just used Google pronouns to get that name the correct name hard. So it is actually MKE Ankara Gucci, and it just completed that move. So he will be playing now in the Turkish league. So it is a step up. It's a huge step up, and I expected this. I saw this coming. I knew that this was going to happen for Renaldo Cephas, coming from Arnett Garden. I think at one point he was even a goalkeeper at one point. Charlie Smith coming through the ranks, Jamaica Premier League, left Arnett Garden. It has been a really good journey for Cephas, and I'm telling you, he is improving significantly as the season goes by. He's improving. Now, last season, let me give you some statistics. Last season, he scored 16 goals and registered 6 assists in 40. My apologies. No, this is the amount that he played 1.5 season for Shkupi, and in those 1.5 seasons, he played 40 games, scored 16 goals, registering 6 assists. 16 goals, registering 6 assists. So that's actually, I think that's 22 goals contribution in the 40 games. And remember, maybe like about 10 of those are appearances, like just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But other than that, he has been a regular in the Shkupi team. And since he has been a regular Shkupi team, he has been their main consistent goal scorer. And remember, even in the Europa Conference League, he scored 4 goals in 1 game to help Shkupi to advance to the next stage of the Conference League playoff. He has been brilliant. He has been really brilliant since he made that move to Europe. Crazy amount of goals that he has been scoring and doing wonderful things. Basically walking past defenders, because we all know that his speed is one of his most meticulous asset, and definitely he has now significantly improved on his ball handling, his touches, and his finesse. So he has been, it has been a beautiful step for him where footballing growth is concerned, with all those things concerned. And he is actually having a good time, and he's enjoying himself. He's just 23 years old, people. Only 23 years old. There's a lot more to come. There's a lot more of him to come. Reggae Boyz called up. A lot of persons asking about that. Not sure, really not sure if we're going to see anything like that. I'm not sure at any point soon, but definitely he is knocking on the door. He's certainly knocking on the door. And one thing for sure, if you don't knock on the door won't be open for you. So there could be something in the future. I do believe that there could be something in the future. What we don't want to do is what we've seen over time and time again, waiting so long to call some of these players who have been excelling real well, and then now it becomes a burden when we're trying to get these players in, and it's difficult. It's really difficult for him, and I do believe that this player in particular is going to be a brilliant one. But what we're seeing right now, I have to say, big up, well done, a job well done on what he's doing so far. and we wish him all the best, especially in the Turkish league. New environment, adjusting to new language, new dynamics, new everything, new culture, new everything. And he has been representing himself well. And I do believe that the fan base down by Arnett will be feeling proud of his achievement and what he has done. And I'm certain that most of the Jamaican fan base who watch football, who knows that Renaldo Cephas, have been really, really proud. I've gotten a lot of real positive feedback about him. A lot of persons are saying they're happy for him. They're glad that he's doing so well. And it's just to showcase that we have talent, we have so much talent. Many times I heard people beating down and that we do not this. I do think that there's a lot of underestimating of what we can do. And the sky is the limit, people. And if you don't set your mind to that, I believe that you're already defeating yourself. Believe that you're already defeating yourself. And Renaldo Cephas would have been one of those players who are breaking the barrier, saying that, hey, the whole concept of JPL, this and that, the players in the JPL are not good enough, they will never be good enough, and all these things. And sometimes you just need that help to make that next step. And Cephas have gotten that help, and making the next step would have gone to Shukupi, and that would have holistically changed his ideal, how he approach football, his dynamics, his footballing ability, his footballing IQ. And since he made that move, that's certainly matriculated, and he's now seen the fruition, the fruits of that, of his hard work in his earlier footballing days. Now, still a long way to go, still a lot more to do. Let's see what he's going to do in the upcoming season. Let's see if he can hit the ground running in this league as well. I'm hoping, because the league soon kick off. Another league for me to look into. I'm never really much of a big fan of the Turkish league. I didn't really have any need to watch the Turkish league, but certainly no, I have a need to watch the Turkish league. So I'm really going to see what's going to happen over there, and I'm hopeful if he can go into the Turkish league and hit them by storm. I do think that they're possible. Remember, I told you earlier this year that there will be for about Cephas that there's a big move coming. This is a big move, but let's see what he does in the Turkish league, and then we might say there could be another big move up on their rise. But I do think that he doesn't stop there. I do believe that it don't stop right there. I do believe that there could be another big move for Renaldo Cephas. So big up Cephas, congratulations on that great acquisition by the team. Akana. Let me pronounce that again. Let me see if we can catch it back. Ankara Gucci. Good. Get you back. Ankara Gucci. So, certainly a great acquisition by them. Unfortunately, the parents club, I think it's Malines and Arnett, they're not getting much from it. I think they're getting peanuts basically from this move, and it's very unfortunate. I do think that Jamaican football needs to be operating as a business, and we're going to continue to see lots and little to no development in football unless we start approaching football as a business. Anyways, big up people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, big up Cephas, massive respect. I'm out. Boom.